Hey, this is Emanuele and this is a new Saga release. Today I have three new features I want to talk about. First of all, image support. Saga can now be much more colorful because you can use images directly in the editor. To do that, I'm going to create a new block and then I'm going to type /image and I just created an image block. I can either click anywhere on the block to upload something from my local machine, or I can click on embed from URL to use any URL to get basically any image on the internet. In this case, I want to show you what happens if I upload something from my local machine and the image is uploaded. It's a success. I can also now resize the image by clicking on this handle on the right side and drag it to the left or to the right to resize the image. From this top right menu, I can also align the image or I can remove it. The second feature I want to show you is import and export to Markdown. So this is very important because you can now either export to store Saga pages somewhere else, or you can import Markdown files from other tools. To do that, I'm going to show you all the different ways to import and export. First of all, export. You need to go on the top right side of the screen, click on the three dots, and then click on Export Page. Saga is now preparing a zip file. The zip file contains the Markdown file with the content from the page and all the images that were embedded in the page itself. Now I want to import pages from another tool. I'm going to show you how to import pages from Rome Research, for example. So I'm going to go on Rome Research. This is a page from a public graph in Rome Research with the United States Declaration of Independence, and I added an image on top just to show you how the export and import, actually how the import works with images. So I'm gonna export this from Rome Research in Markdown. You need to select Markdown here. Markdown, yes. Export. This is the export. I'm gonna go back to Saga. I'm gonna take the file and drop it in Saga. And this is the file with the correct image and the Declaration of Independence. And in addition, since Rome Research supports these squared brackets to link, I'm able to click on any of these to create a page and create automatically new pages and basically automatic links in Saga. I can do that anywhere Rome has brackets. Another way to import pages is by going on the top left menu, here where you see this chevron. Click here and then on import pages. You're gonna be able to open basically the same view, and you're gonna be able to upload up to 10 files at the same time. The last thing I want to talk about is an improvement fix that we just released. It's not something that I'm gonna be able to show you, but basically Saga is now able to automatically link and create references for spaces that are up to thousands of pages. So some of you have very large spaces with thousands of pages inside, and now Saga is able to basically connect those in the browser at lightning speed with no loss of performance whatsoever. In addition, some quality of life and bug fixes. We now have new code blocks. So I'm going to turn this into the new code block. This is the new code block, and it supports all kind of formatting. Plus, I can also, I'm going to show you, this is HTML. I'm going to create an HTML H1 here. I can now open this directly in Code Sandbox. So this is very helpful if you're writing documentation for code, technical documentation, and you will be able to show your users how to use this bit of code directly in Code Sandbox. Finally, we have improved numbered list. You can now indent numbered lists as much as you want, and they're gonna keep the correct numbering. And we fix some major problems with offline. So in some cases, the editor would go offline and some edits would not be saved. So I apologize personally for this. This is now fixed. Last fix that was kind of important. Now Saga will not trigger the mobile view when the window is resized. In addition, there were many more bug fixes, but very boring to add to this video. So that's it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you embed a lot of successful images, and see you on the next video. And in the meantime, keep us posted with all the feedback you want. Have a good day.